Alright, so we're a fan club at Adukrom Akuapem, which is a unique fan club. It's visiting Safari Valley. And they have invited me, bro. And I'm trying to utilize this opportunity to create content for you. You understand? You know, something like this, I can't enjoy it alone or I can't feel it alone. Person also feel it. You get me? So kindly stay with me. Let me dress up so we can start everything sharp. I'm going to try me crash. Let me and then I'm going to share my uncle. So remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like and share the content. Let's go. Alright, so we are now going in, and this is the entrance, as you can see. And remember, Safari is located at Adukrom Akuapem, you get me? And I will be giving you some of their packages, in case you want to come and spend a night here, maybe with your wife, or with your loved one, or your family, or something. Or in case you want to come here as day guest. Abi, feel me? Sure, so I'll be giving you people updates, so let's enjoy the video.
So you're all welcome to Safari Valley Resort. Thank you. I am Sophia, and so we are going to count ourselves to know the total number of people that were sitting on the bus, and then the tour officer will take you from here so that you enjoy your stay with us. Thank you very much.
Right, so after entering, you have to go to the reception, and this is the reception. You see the structure, Charlie. It'd be very, very nice. Wow. All right, so when you get to the reception, they will serve you fruit juice, Charlie. Fruit, natural one. 100% natural one, you get me? This one will be the one we used to buy at the provision store. No, nah, this one will be natural. You are one of my adults, you are the BB and count. Then they have to know if you are there to stay or as a day guest, you get me? So let's go, let's enjoy the video.
Welcome to Avian Camp. My name is Robert Asamoah. Do you prefer English or Chi? How about mixing it? Maybe the France. Timwane wa hanum na yehu no. You're from a pheasant. And a pheasant ye mbo bia mu from Asia. Amoni pea fowl se na wabusia krom. Ti nyojina hanum na ye bema. And a brown ones na mona mu no. Eye mba. Ntakrambo de mo ho ofe ne bebre na ye mbema. Esa mo ho ofe ni ti no mo de wan ho ofe na akrate ba na mo ben o. It is a urban beoma, Uberman is a show off. And sana, wow, as I feel not Obana Mahonquine, no Noetia. By a woman, polygamous.
I'm enjoying myself. Welcome to Safari.
Alright, so with the packaging aspect, in case you want to come here as a day guest, you have to pay 650 Ghana cedis. 650. So after paying this money, you get a chance or the opportunity to tour the whole place with the help of the tour guide there. Hope you get me right, sure. So after touring, bro, the place is very, very nice and big. And they have a lot of animals there. More than Animal Kingdom, po. Alright, so after touring, they will lead you to the restaurant to eat. They will give you one food, one meal, you understand? It's part of the day guest package. They will give you one meal. Yeah, so after eating, they will lead you back to the recreational center. With that place, that be the enjoyment place. You can swim, you can play golf, you can play basketball, volleyball, netball, everything. Like it's a whole lot. And in case you want to spend the night there, that one I'll put the PDF file on the video so you can have a look or you can read through. I think it ranges from 6,000 to 30,000 or something. I'll put the PDF file on the video so you can have a look. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe, like and share the content.
Timwawe, you're from alpacas. Alpaca. Bako.
Alpaca.
Almost sounds so tintasu. Almost tintasu nugu obia or how madrin so. And as I say, Obabi mpese on the bearman in Beshiana bearman no air tatana. Ultimating tintasu nugu bearman so.
You did na obia bahan mabidi agro. Nti agro na wahani na horseback riding na cycling, kupeso chibike, kupeso swimming. O sanso peso exercise or gym nenso a. O kwan so betimi ani na. O peso ball, basketball, volleyball, lawn tennis, golf crown so eka ho. Nti agro na wahani na no. Eka skana mu etua seden. Mo de ba ha bejimu ani no. Nti mo bi anse o kwan said then won't mean ye baby. Yes. Resort and so you use electric cats. Emma activities I hanom dodo na ye use electric cars nti they are ultimately on engine sound bia no and also electricity and use you ye juma wa han so ye bro 500 dodo na so free cronim we ji samunni me binom you yes esanso ma ye aduane depending on works shifts na ye no anopa area ana anajo obenya aduane yes abenkum so no na ye bia ye chefs no amunu aduane ma edi staff nko and say ba restaurant na nkasa nso baby amubedi lunch no honom ne de mo amode nye staff ne yanko ho timo aduane ye separate the hanum so chef wo honom a utumi hu aduane kra o no ama o utumi hu no glass ni so no ama ori ana omde abremo but and at the end dem did say buffet timo amu be serve mo ho edidi kama
mo afra ku ya lentemi nyemi omokwen no wa so be de ji amonkuni mu a wono be kinchi bi ape so bo amokwa ya te wow endi te kwa ne be ji a na so ru jengbete emo tutu eju wanu ende ne inchi bi akwa bebe yo na mo bo te se ohene ala na mo mati no answer mo we amoni abu eyi asebote no abede betomu na jese ngota mo wi be na jana agba toku ya jese wuru moyo oba mo endene ba mo ba ala achi akobetem na de so simple bye ba mo si de be so mo si e be so a aba oje mutwi moyo wow no ngisa mo kwa ala no enum akokra po na film afilm anayo
All right, so we are now headed to the restaurant to eat our food. You understand? Charlie, here will be very, very, very nice. Wow, you get me? So let me leave you so you can enjoy the video. Remember to subscribe, please. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do for me. Thank you very much.
When did you take my soul? Safari original.
All right, so we are done eating. So we are waiting for the cart to take us back to the recreational center. So please stay with me and see some of the package when you come as day guest, some of the package you get, some of the fun you can have, or some of the game you can participate. You understand? So let's enjoy.
I told her, mommy.
aggressive, that's what baby. Yeah, last one. Thank you.
You know Jamie. Hey! Coffee! Hey!
Charlie, one say about you be bug of ball and kasa unique. And you be new see. Yeah, Charlie. Yeah, just system how long go. Captain and Fred me. I like it. Captain mo. Captain. Me. Pa serious o captain o. Charlie. Oh, captain at the
Alright, so if you need more inquiries, you can kindly take my number from the description section, you understand, and talk to me or text me on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching the video.